All right, y'all. It's my mijo. Come on out the way, mijo. Come on, ven aquí. All right. What's under the sheet? The ghost. Right now, it is a ghost because I can't really find anything on this bad beast. So let's take a look at it. There we go. There we go. Oh, sorry, guys. All right. Has been revealed. And here it is. It is the new L87 6.2. That's what this is. L87 6.2. Don't believe me? Here it is right there. L87 6.2. Read it and weep. L87 6.2. Oh, direct injection. Still got the plugs on it. Crate motor, got it at a real good deal. If you ask me how much, a real good deal. That's why it's sitting here. Real good deal. Here's the computer for it, the infamous E90. Really couldn't find anything on it. And I believe this is for the transmission or the fuel regulator. Not for sure. I need to look up the numbers. But yeah, doesn't have the vacuum pump for it. Still got the brackets on it, lifting brackets from factory. Oh, another thing, I got some wires for it right here. Got some for it. Do have the pedal. I do have that. I do have that. Got that. Excuse my shoes. Do have that. It's the same thing almost pretty much as the L86. It's just a newer version of the L86. Everything else is pretty much the same. The only thing that changes is this. This changes. But everything else is still pretty much still the same. Right here. Oh, one more other thing. If you look at the flywheel, well, nothing about the flywheel, but the bolt up top is off-centered. So I need to figure out what transmission I can get on here. Oh, here's the number, L87 right there, L87. I need to figure out what transmission I can run because originally it's a truck. You see the high intake. Came with a 3-speed, I'm sorry, not a 3-speed, a 10-speed transmission. I'm trying to figure out if I can put something else. I think the 10-speed is a 10L45 or something like that. I need to see if I can bolt something else up to it. So let me know what you think. Please, no negative comments. Hey, if I'm missing some stuff, I'm just not a motors guy. I'm not. I mean, I'm an AC guy. I can make a house cold, but I just can't. The motor part, I'm figuring it all out. Just need a little help. Don't have the starter on there. Oh, that box, it doesn't go to this motor. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty much the same thing. Just giving you a look at it. Right there. Uh-huh. Yep. Up. New. There is that little sneaky little thing in there, the DOD that has to be gone. And I don't see no oil pressure switch for it. I don't. So, still a mystery. All right, guys. Let me know what you think. What should I do? And I'm putting this in a Gbody, a Cutlass. So let me know what you think. Need a little action. L87. Woo! 6.2 right there. I don't know if that's a LT, L plus, but yeah, it's there.